Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. How are we doing, guys? Hope everybody is well. Wow. What absolutely flipping gorgeous weather we are having. I really should not be sat in the office. In fairness, excuse me, I've got a tickle. In fairness, I've just got in from a lovely walk with my brother, so I've been out walking. But I'm in now, and I wanted to hop on quickly because while I was at work today, my Scentsy Club got delivered, and in here, so my Scentsy Club, lots and lots of bars, and this month's Whiff Box. So I can't wait to share it with you. Oh, I meant to turn the camera around so it records the right way round, but never mind, we'll go with it. Right, so I'm getting very dangerous with scissors as I open this. So let's see what I've got. So I'll show you my Scentsy Club as well as the Whiff Box. That'd be nice to share. Oh, so I hope you are enjoying the sunshine. Let me move the box down. Right, oh my goodness, lots of paper. Right, let me quickly show you what I have in my Scentsy Club. So I have quite a few bars, and then what that means is I get the Whiff Box half price. So I've got cherry vanilla. I just adore cherry fragrances, and I adore vanilla, so that absolutely floats my boat. We have got white peach and cranberry. That was one of the new fragrances for last season's new fragrances, the autumn winter ones, and I absolutely love that. Didn't want to be without it. Birthday Wishes, that's quite a bakery fragrance, so you know why I love that. We have got Hug in a Mug. That's like chocolate cookie dough, one of my absolute favourites. This hasn't been back out for a few years, so it's always on my Scentsy Club. I absolutely love it. It's actually warming in my hall at the moment, and I'm warming it with Breakfast Blend that came back on Bring Back My Bar, and Vanilla Bean Buttercream. So it smells in my hall like a mocha, like a coffee chocolate mocha. It smells like a posh coffee shop. Unfortunately, my coffee's Nescafe. It's not the same. Pineapple Pucker, because I absolutely love it. We have got Cherry's Jubilee. I think you might notice I quite like the cherry fragrances. We've got Friends. That's a coffee shop one. That smells like a coffee shop. Unsurprising. We have got Lemon Blossom Basil. That one is just divine. It is exactly as it sounds. It's really citrus, but that basil cuts through. Beautiful. We have got Simply Strawberry. I tell you what, Scentsy do strawberry so flipping well. That is divine. I'm not sniffing through these because I know what they smell like. I just want to share another strawberry one, Strawberry Swirl. That one is quite a sweet one. That's almost like a bakery strawberry one. That was one of the first ones I ever added to my Scentsy Club, and I love Strawberry Swirl. Absolutely beautiful. Be fabulous. It's just divine. I was surprised that didn't come back. I don't think it's come back, has it? No. Oh, I'm doubting myself now. I can't remember. But that is a limoncello. It's a citrus one. I always think it doesn't look like it's citrus because it's purple, but it is a citrus and absolutely to die for. One of my top favourites. We have got, this was one of the first collections I ever put on Scentsy Club. So this was the Mix It collection where you got, I think we had 4, possibly even 5 fragrances, I can't remember, different ones. And the idea was that you mix them all up to make your own fragrances. And I absolutely love the grapefruit orange. As you can tell, I'm a very citrus and bakery. Vanilla blackberry. Gorgeous. What else have we got? Gleeful grape. That was one of the fragrances in our first buddy clip. Gleeful grape. Love it. Then we have Snuggle Up. That will go upstairs because I like that one in the bedroom. It's just a really calming, relaxing one. What else have I got? Groovy Grapefruit. Another very citrusy. I find these citrus ones really zingy and uplifting. Love them. And the last bar is Very Blessed. So this is almost like a Christmassy one, but so fruity. And yeah, it's just gorgeous. So I keep that on my Scentsy Club. So there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 6. It's 17 bars. Oops. 17 bars there. But that does mean, with all that, I get this bag boy half price. Whoop, whoop. And of course, 10% off those as well. So it's 10% off, and this is half price. So yeah, perfect. So I know what's in this, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So are you going to open it with me? Do you want to see? Are you ready? Da 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 da. Whoop, whoop. Ooh. So let's see what it says. Oh, I can get hold. It says, rainy days create rainbows of fragrance. There we are, rainy days. Don't let a rainy day get you down. New fragrances are splashing in. Your rain-inspired April Whiff Box has exactly what you need to appreciate weather that drizzles and the rainbows that follows. Though April showers will bloom in... I can't remember how it goes. Oh, April showers, da da da, they bring the flowers that bloom in May. I can't remember the second line. So if it's raining, have no regrets, because it isn't raining rain, you know. It's raining violets. And when you see clouds of daffodils... No, I can't remember it. But it's been a long while since I've had to sing that one, but just a little burst there. Right, let's see. Should we go straight in with the bars? So, bar number 1, we have got Coconut Blossom. Coconut Blossom. So, let's see what this is like. Well, obviously coconutty, but quite a floral coconut. Yeah, there's like a floralness to it. Don't know what floral. Jasmine, possibly, something like that. Honeysuckly, jasmine-y, something. But yeah, so the coconut hits you, but very floral undertones. Quite like that. I'm not a huge floral fan, but I do like coconut fragrances. It's almost like a posh suntan lotion. So there we go. Coconut, well, blossom, obviously. Coconut blossom, that's why we've got the floral. Then we've got, I don't know how to say that, Saguaro, I have no idea. Anyway, something desert rain. Something desert, Saguaro. No idea. Somebody will have to tell me how that's pronounced, because I literally don't know. Ooh, now that's fresh. Wow. I mean, desert makes you think of sand and cactuses. Oh, that's really nice. I don't know what it smells of, but it smells lovely. But it is a fresh. So, like, I am getting a fresh rain. That's beautiful. That floats my boat more than the coconut blossom one, even though I love coconut. That's more floral. But that, even though it's fresh, it's a really beautiful fresh. Very nice. So whatever desert that is, desert rain, lovely. Right, now for the exciting bits of the Whiff Box. We have a Darling Dahlia top. So I'm sure you all know. We've got like 3 different flowers. Sometimes we have extra ones come. But the main ones, so this is Darling Dahlia, which looks like that. There we go. Can you see that? very pretty. When you use your fragrance flower, very important, don't know if you can see that bit of paper wrapped round, very important that you take that off, because that otherwise prevents the oil going up the wick. Right, let's have a look what flower we've got. So this is a special. It's called Quaint Country Rain. Now I have got a description. Gentle raindrops revive orchard fruit and fresh violets on a slow afternoon. So that's the description. There's the little silver cap. I'm not going to put this together now. I just want to show you because I know the oil, don't know if you can see, but it's a beautiful blue. Can you see that blue? Beautiful blue colour. So once the flower has been in there for a few hours, it will start taking on the colour. As the oil seeps up into the flower will turn from white to a lovely blue. It's almost like it looks like an ink pot. I don't know if you can see, the sun's sort of coming through a little bit. It is gorgeous. So that is going to be a beautiful blue flower in, what did I say it was called? Quaint Country Rain. How lovely is that? So that's a fragrance flower. And then the bit I'm most excited for, I'll put that away, is Happy Thoughts. Look at that. You know how much I love a buddy clip. Absolutely adore our buddy clips. So this is Happy Thoughts. Look at that, how lush. And that is in Amazon Rain. So that is melon and orange and coconut. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it does smell good. You've got the Scentsy patch just there. These are the lids coming out of the clouds. How pretty is that? And then on the side it says Scentsy in gold. That's your pot of gold at the side. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. That might have to be hung up in Bertie Bus. I think it's going to have to go in Bertie Bus. Oh, it smells good. That smells really good. I do love our buddy clips. And these literally, so you've got like a little, you can see there's a little clip there. Comes apart and then you just clip it round whatever you want, so it can go. I mean, I've got lots of buddy clips hung up here in the office. I've got them hung up in my van. You can hang them on your bed. You can hang them on a handbag. I've got one on a handbag. I've got one on a rucksack, nappy bags on the side of prams, on car seats, anything. Anywhere you can literally hook it, it will be perfect. And then you've got that instant hit of fragrance as well. Lots of kids I know have them hung on their school bags, book bags, things like that. So there we have it, a beautiful, beautiful whiff box. You've got that the flower, the buddy clip, 2 bars of wax. You can buy the whiff box for £42 and it's worth £58. So how flipping good is that? And if you want to get one half price, you need to set up a Scentsy club, get some bars. Once you hit £72, you get that half price. So, yeah, worth it. Worth it, worth it. Right, I'm going to get off because I'm going to get back out there in that sunshine. If anybody would like a whiff box or want to find out more, then pop me a little message and we can talk about it. All right, take care, guys. Loads of love. Bye.